Hey guys, I just want to tell you guys how to fix a camera if it's broken, like this one is. And I got a LCD screen for this one. This one's broken, but this one works. Watch. The only problem with it, you see that? Yeah, so that sucks. So I'm gonna switch this LCD screen for this one that works. So let's try it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is take out the battery. So slip that out of there. Take it out. Get closer. Alright. Close that. Then what you want to do is take out the screws. Where's my screwdriver? It's not really a screwdriver cut, but I'm Mexican, so yeah, I don't really got that. So just take these screws out of this one. Alright. You're gonna want to store them somewhere. I'm just gonna put them on paper because, you know, I don't. Oh shit. Alright, just put them on a piece of paper. Well, you might want to put on a magnet or something, or tape, but since this is a quick video, just gonna show you how to do it real fast. Okay, once you have the screws off both of these, what you're gonna do is lift it off. What the hell came off the front? I want the back. Alright, carefully with the back over here. Alright, there then, like that. Open that, and then open this one. Alright, this one comes off. Alright. Alright. And there you go, these two. Alright. And what you're gonna do is there's a little thing right here. It's like you just pull it up and it opens, and then you could undo the LCD screen. So just pull it right here, lift it like that. That thing comes out. So here's the broken LCD screen right here. And then here's a good LCD screen. Connect it up there. Okay. Let's just disconnect this one too. This one's been a little okay, Alright, and then it comes out like that, and then just take it off from here. Come out of there. This is not your home anymore. Alright, here's the new one. The one that works. Alright. Then what you want to do is grab this one and grab the camera that works, and then just, where's it at? Alright, and then you connect this into here. Alright. So you connect it back. Connect this thing back in. Try to straighten it out. It looks like crooked. Careful though. Alright, once you got it in there, it's nice and tight in there. Hold it in there. Alright, and then flip the switch back up over it so it won't go anywhere. Like that, and now it's in there. See, now it's connected. Then what you want to do is just lay it back down right here. And it's a perfect fit if you have the camera. get the cover right here. Just put it back on there. Make sure everything fits like that. And then put the screws back in there. Once you have all the screws in there, so it won't open, go ahead and put the battery back in there. There you go. Let me clean the screen off, it was dirty. Alright. And then turn it on. And voila! Your screen works perfect again. Thank you. This was Memo849. Hope it helped you guys. And it's only around. You don't have to pay that much. It's only. I only paid $15 for this, for that broken camera. And as you saw before, this camera was busted up. Now it works perfect. Watch. There, took a picture of myself. Alright. Subscribe if you want. If you like the video, subscribe. Thumbs up if you liked it. Alright, bye.